guys, it's Andrea here. Welcome back to my channel, aka my internet home. So for today's video, I have a get ready with me. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I did my hair, my makeup, and what outfit I chose, down to my accessories and even what perfume I chose, right? So before we get into that video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss any more videos. And without further ado, here we go. Alright, so I'm just gonna curl up this hair. Not really, yeah, I'm gonna curl it up into some really pretty body waves. Well, that's what I'm gonna attempt to do. This hair is from SVT Hair. I found my gloves for my curling wand, guys. I'm really excited. I think curls are really cute. And they're more on the romantic side to me. And I just put it out of my face while I do my makeup for right now. I'm gonna brush it out when I'm done and then, you know, go and do a little baby hair finesse or whatever. I prepped my face already. I put on a mask. This one, it was from TonyMoly. I don't know. It's the I'm Lotus sheet mask. It was this one right here. That's what I put on my face. I actually got this from Kyra, I'm Unique, and Dana Alexia. They put masks on their face before they do their makeup so their makeup looks poppin', and I did that like a couple times before and I did like the way that looked. So I did my brows already. I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pencil, the color chocolate. So if you guys want to see a brow routine, just let me know down in the comments as per usual. I don't know if I mentioned this already, but this hair is SVT Hair. I have a review on this hair, so I will just link that up in the cards and down in the description box. You gotta check both of those things because I might forget sometimes. So I'm just using the Fenty Beauty eyeshadow primer. Just gonna dab a little bit on my eye. So I'm gonna go in with my Morphe eyeshadow palette. This is the Morphe 350 Natural Glow palette. This color right here. And I'm gonna just put that in my crease. Take my Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. This one is in Bling Boss, and I'm going to use the color I'm gonna use the color Hush Hush first. I'm just gonna pat that onto my lid. Okay, and now going back into the same palette, I'm going to use the color, I don't know if I want to do Bling Bling or Ballsy. Let me see what looks a little. Ballsy is this one down here, Bling Bling is this one up here. I think I'm gonna do Ballsy. Feeling a little ballsy today, I think I'm gonna do Ballsy. And I'm just gonna pat that into the center of my lid. Not all over, just in the middle. So what I actually did was mix both Ballsy and Bling Bling because Ballsy wasn't giving me what I wanted. and neither was bling bling by itself, so you know. And now I'm just gonna go back with the brush that I used before and the color I used before in the Morphe 350 palette, and I'm gonna go blend it out just a little bit. For foundation, I'm gonna use the Bobbi Brown Skin Lightwear foundation in the color Neutral Golden. I lied, I'm gonna color correct first because I got a couple dark marks on my face that I'm not feeling. So I'm just gonna take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Corrector. Or is it like Corrector Orange or something like that? And get all of that because I don't know. I usually don't break out as much as I used to because I have really bad skin in like middle school, high school, and the beginning of college. And then I found my skin routine that works for me. So I don't usually break out, but I did have a pimple right here and I popped it, and you know, dark skin and hyperpigmentation and you know, all that jazz. I'm just gonna use my e.l.f. small stippling brush, blend that just a little bit. And now I'm gonna go in with my foundation. Behind forgot to wet my beauty blender, so I will be right back. Okay, so now I'm gonna use my Makeup Forever Ultra HD Concealer in the color 44, I think. Now I'm going to bake. Stick to what you know, right? And I'm gonna bake with the Fenty Beauties. I got a lot of Fenty stuff, you know? I really support Rihanna. While my face bakes, I'm going to put on my eyeliner and my eyelashes, but I really need to focus when I do both of those things, so I'm just going to do them off camera. But I am going to use the NYX Vinyl Liquid Liner in the color Black, and I don't know what lashes I'm going to put on yet, but I will let you know as soon as I'm done. Okay, so I did my eyeliner and my eyelashes. I did go with one of my favorite pairs. It just comes in the purple packaging. I don't know. Now I'm just going to dust off the excess baking powder. The excess setting powder on my face. So now I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in the color Cappuccino to bronze and basically just set where I contoured. So now I'm going to set my entire face with my setting powder from Maybelline. Obviously I hit pan already, so don't talk about it. It's in the color 355 Coconut. And to highlight, I'm going to use MAC's highlight in the color Whisper of Gilt. It's a really pretty gold color. Now I'm just going to line my lips with the brown lip liner. Liquid lipstick in the color Lolita. While I let that dry down a bit, I'm gonna put some mascara on my bottom lashes because I don't like when my eyes look that naked. And this is just Artistry Studio NYC edition lash Lash Boosting 3-in-1 Mascara. I like this one because I don't know if y'all can. This changes. I need both my hands so you guys could see that this. Can you see that? Like it extends and then it doesn't. So I like that. So it gives you different options for your eyelashes. Normally I would put some lip gloss on top of my lips because, you know, I'm a glossy type of girl, but the boo don't like that. And this is a Valentine's Day look, so I guess I won't put any lip gloss on top of my lipstick or whatever, because who doesn't like lip gloss? So before I get dressed, I like to throw on perfume. So this one is my absolute favorite perfume. If you've been subscribed to me for a long time, you know that this is my favorite. This is RIRI by Rihanna. Oh my god, this smells like so good. Like, and today's not Valentine's Day, but like, I just like to smell really good all the time. And if you wear this, he gonna be like, what is that? Why do you smell so good? And you're gonna be like, yeah, I know. That's my secret weapon. That's like, everybody wanna know what I smell like? That's what I smell like. If you have RIRI by Rihanna, you know that that is a bad bitch scent, okay? That's bad bitch scent. That's what I smell like. So I'm just gonna go ahead and throw on my accessories, comb out the rest of my hair, put on my outfit, and then I will show you guys the finished look in a bit. Today's video. If you want to see what this look looks like on the gram, obviously I'm going to do my Instagram right here for you guys. Make sure you give me a big thumbs up, leave me a comment down in the comment section below. If you didn't get to at the beginning of this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you don't miss any more videos. I love you all so much and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye!
My little baby, change your bracelet. There's a hope